Hi guys, I'm Dumoy Roberts and I'm here at the ASC doing some general chemistry review videos in preparation for organic chemistry. Now when these problems are done, they will be here in the ASC for you guys to try out. So let's get started. Considering the following reaction at equilibrium. A plus B is equilibrium with C plus D. If we added additional D to this reaction, which way would the equilibrium shift? Explain your answer from the view of the molecules. Now, there's only two ways to shift equilibrium. Let me start again. This reaction right here, if we add more D, the equilibrium is going to shift left. So for this first part, answer is shift left. Now, let me explain to you why it shifts left, because there's only two ways this reaction could shift left. Is if you add more products which in this case it's D, or remove reactants. Now that explains why this reaction shifts to the left, because we have D. We're adding D to this reaction. Now, explain your answer from the viewpoint of molecules. Now, this is kind of a conceptual thing when you guys are going to be learning this. So, if we think about it, if we add more D, we're increasing the concentration of how much D molecules we have. So since we're increasing the amount of D molecules we have, in this equilibrium kind of state, it's going to drive the reaction to the left, because we're going to have more D and C molecules colliding to form back more reactants, because there's less of this and there's more D. So remember, in kinetics, molecules will be colliding. These molecules will be colliding more often. These D molecules will be colliding more often with the C molecules to form back more A and B products. So increasing the concentration, these brackets means concentration, increasing the concentration of D will make more collisions and thus make more reactants. And there you have it. Now, if you guys are still confused or still have any questions, Dr. Betts will be making a video on this same problem, so you guys can go check his video out. And once again, these problems will be done in the ASC, so once these are all published and put on YouTube, you guys can have a tackle at this. And once again, I wish you guys good chemistry.